Hi guys, so I'm back today with another Twice unboxing, and I have the Twicecoaster Lane 1, the Apricot version and the Magenta version. And since I pre-ordered one, I got the pre-ordered cards, so they come in like a little pouch. Yeah. Okay. So Nayan. And all the backs are like this, so I'm not going to show any more of that. So Jungyeon, Momo, Sana, Jihyo, Mina, Dayan, Chaeyoung, and Chewy. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but they do have their signatures on it. So yeah, it's like a really good collectible if you're collecting all their photo cards. And these photo cards are really pretty, in my opinion. I just don't like how hers is horizontal. Besides that, everything is fine. So, yeah. I love Momo like that. She looks so cute. And then I figured that out. That was Mina in the background. So yeah. So I'm going to put these away in their pouch. Woohoo. And then it says Twice also. So I'm going to start with the Apricot version today. And it comes with a sleeve on it. And I'm just going to show you like this right now. So it looks like they're on a roller coaster. But when you remove the sleeve, the roller coaster's on this thing. So, yeah. And the back says Twicecoaster. And this is the front. This is the side. And this is the back. So I got Nayan CD. So these are all 9-member CDs. If you want to collect them all, do it. But I don't know. I'm not that much of a fan to collect all of them. CDs. So Nayan. So this is like cotton candy or something. It's supposed to be cotton candy. Okay. People find this strange, but like I really like her 2 front teeth. It looks so cute on her. So Chaeyoung. Mina. She looks so scared. So, yeah. I don't understand these glasses. They're kind of ugly in my opinion, but Jihyo. Chewy. She looks so innocent here. She always is, so. Momo. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Daehyun. Sana. Jungyeon. I like this picture. So all 3. So all the members So this is the front picture, the front cover. Twice. So this is the thanks to. So there's all of them. Really like these outfits. So the lyrics. The thanks to. I kind of don't like how it's like this really like apricot. This is the color, but the apricot color, and it's white. You can't really see what they're writing. This is the staff, I guess. And I like this picture because they're like all eating noodles. And I'm like, girls, you need to eat. Like, you guys are so cute. Okay, so yeah. And the photo cards for it. So it comes with stickers. So this is apricot stickers. It comes with 2 postcards. This is the back. This is the postcard. It's kind of like a glossy picture here, but at the back, it's like cardboard or like paper. It's really pretty. And this is the other one. And this is the selfie card. So I got Santa. I don't like how, I'm not sure if it's like supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like this. And this is the hologram card. And I got Jihyo. So it's really shiny. And I really like these cards. Yeah. Okay. So this is the magenta version. Sorry. Okay. And this is the spine. This is the back. Okay. And this has like balloons, cotton candy, a streamer. It's really cute. And they're all in a circle. Okay. So it comes with that genie card. And I got Chewy CD. Ooh. So, Nayeon. I like how the lollipop has like TT. Jungyeon. Momo. Sana. Chiyo. Mina. I like this picture because it looks like she's flying away with the balloons. It's cute. Daehyun. I like how her hair always changes colors, like for every album. Like her hair like stands out way more than everybody else's. So, Chaeyeon. Chewy. So this is the front cover. No, this is the front cover. The other one, I don't know what it was. I like this photo a lot. Twice. And this is the same as the Apricot version, the thanks to. Ooh, the booty. So this is the group photo. This is the track list. Twice thanks to. Staff. Oh no, staff. And the last picture. And the photo cards that came in this one. I'm gonna start with the stickers. So Twice, their sunglasses, that's how the back looks. So there's also 2 postcards here. And this is the first one. And this is the other one. And I got Jihyo photo card. That's the back. And the hologram, I got Mina. Woohoo. Okay. So this is everything all together. I don't know if this is all going to be in the shot, but yeah. Somehow it's there. Okay. So thank you for watching, and I do hope you enjoyed. Bye!